A day in the life of a call center mom. So, prepare muna para maging fresh, charis. So, ayun, usually, nakakaligo naman na sa morning. So, sa gabi, bisik-bisik na lang, charis. So, after that, prepare na ng coffee si madam. Ayan, and then, we have to start our shift, drinking coffee. So, next, checking the equipments if all is working. Then, next is check na ng email, status, check na schedules, there. And then, we do blended support. So, I'm also doing a chat support as well, calling the customers. Ayan, lunch ko na. Bye! Next time again.